Hakasngi rakhi kasngi jong ki Nongtrei Perthei International Workers Day. Menteri rang ba konrat ke sang mau la perlat pet bai ki program penbet penbiang na kabantai ki Nongtrei yang construction worker ki bathumu kerpang ban ai jing arap pisa jing kershan ha kapuli puthi baron pensok ya ka jing yo ki scheme bapher.
And welfare remains a key priority. At the same time, employers require timely access to skilled and reliable workers to meet growing demands. Bridging this gap is essential for a stronger and more efficient labor ecosystem. In this direction, the government of Meghalaya presents eLabor Connect, a unified digital platform connecting workers and employers across the state.
I take this opportunity to welcome all of you and also wish you all a May Day, Happy May Day, International Workers' Day, as we call it. And once again, thank you all for taking your time and being part of this wonderful celebration that we all are having today. As correctly mentioned by our Principal Secretary, that we have not had this program for many years. We may have had it in small bits and pieces in different parts of the state or different programs in a much smaller scale. But this is for the first time that we are celebrating our workers at different levels on this very, very important day. And the reason is Kinong Bila Kidei Kipaya Jong Kachila.